All right, this is just a fun meal to have, especially with the family. Everybody can make their own. So what these are egg and tuna salad lettuce wraps. So you make the egg and tuna salad, really easy. You put out a whole bunch of lettuce for everybody, and they make their own little wraps. We do this a lot at our house. It's just a fun evening. We're watching TV and we're making our little wraps and eating them, and just you pile in as much as you want. So this is absolutely fantastic. You eat them like that. Lots of fun for everybody. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of these right now. All right, to make our egg and tuna salad lettuce wraps, well, we're gonna make an egg and tuna salad, and we've got our lettuce wraps right here. This is about a head of lettuce, and a nice leafy lettuce that's easy to fill. Really, it's gonna depend, the amount you actually use is gonna depend on the people who you're eating with. Depends how much they pile on each leaf of lettuce, but if you prepare one head, that's pretty good to go. Here we have 2 of those 6-ounce cans of tuna, and it's been drained, the oil's been drained off. 4 hard-boiled eggs chopped, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of minced green onions, 1 tablespoon of capers, 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove crushed, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash or 2 generous pinches of pepper. So let's take a bowl, and first we'll mix all these ingredients together. So let's put the mayonnaise in there. All right, and then in goes the Dijon mustard. Let's also add the garlic, salt and pepper, green onions, and the capers. And now all we do is blend that together. Oh, look at that, that looks delicious already. In goes the tuna. In goes the egg. And to boil perfectly hard-boiled eggs, see the kitchen tech video I created on this, and also on how to easily peel them, and that is, you'll find that on our Patreon feed. All right, now all I do is just blend these together. Basically mix that mayonnaise mixture up into the egg and the tuna. Look at it, now it's starting to get nice. You're getting that all holding together. Oh, look at that. That is going to be absolutely delicious. And that's it. There is our egg and tuna salad. All we do is take a piece of lettuce. This is absolutely fantastic. A lot of fun for the family to eat, because you just take the piece of lettuce and spoon some in there. And go, oh, okay, all right. Spoon some in there, and then you just eat it. Yeah. That's a fun meal, and it's also delicious and refreshing. It's great in summer, but we also eat this in winter too. It's just fantastic. So enjoy egg and tuna salad lettuce wraps. All right, for some great kitchen tech videos about ingredients, videos about Japan, make sure you visit our Patreon page, our Patreon feed, where you can see all those videos and learn how to create perfect boiled eggs and other things. See you there. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for egg and tuna salad lettuce wraps on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.